So I predict this should be going up till it reaches the take profit, and that is what we'll be waiting to see. Hello, welcome back to this video, and this is video 3, a continuation of how to trade starting from zero. So lastly we left a trade that was pending, and as I have opened, I saw that it just entered automatically. So here you can see this is the entry point. So we have the entry point, so I just cross it so that you can see this was the entry point. And then when I change the chart to 1 hour, you'll be able to see where my stop loss is and where my take profit is. If you do not have an account, create using the link in the description. So when I change it to 4 hours, you can see this red line, that is stop loss, and this blue line, that is take profit. So this market seems to be stagnating, so I just leave it so that we see what I'll be able to make by tomorrow. Also, you know that markets can also move in another direction. That is why I have a stop loss. Instead of losing all the money, you just lose a little and then you time again and enter. So I'll just keep updating. We have to trade and get the most money starting from zero, so that I show you not having capital is not an excuse. And then about the AI that we were chatting, I still chat it today so that we can see what it will give in the end of 6 days. For those who are new in this challenge, you'll need to watch. There are 2 videos that are previous that will help you to understand what I'm doing here. So here I have just chatted this AI. I just sent 3 messages. You can see here I started with hello, how are you, and then price of Bitcoin. So a lot of information here that I don't really need, but when I open here, you can see that those are 3 charts for 3 days. So I'll have to chart for 6 days to get those rewards, and then we will still continue trading to see how much we can get out of this. So you have to stick till the end to find out. And subscribe, like this video, so that I'll keep updating on these challenges. Even if after chatting this AI I get some peanuts, we will still add them to trade until we get the most out of this. So not having capital is not an excuse here. You can see here this has just started to go up. So I predict this should be going up till it reaches the take profit, and that is what we'll be waiting to see. So if you do not have an account, create using the link in the description. And if you have a question, ask it in the comment section. Thanks for watching.